In front of me is an HardReset 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off simple mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to hit system and updates. Then hit simple mode here and use enable button to activate it. Following that, just wait. As you can see, easy mode is on. If you want to turn it off, go into settings again. Scroll, hit exit simple mode here, and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!